much taller in just one night. Now I can reach the growth spurts.
It's basketball season. Yay! Now, Coach here is looking for some new boys. Right, Coach?
Right. But first, we gotta see who measures up. So let's go. You first.
Good luck, Dan.
Yep.
It's zombies, guys. I hope I measure up.
Me too.
Guys, don't worry about it. We're gonna totally make the team.
Next.
That's me, guys.
Good luck, dude.
Good luck, dude.
Let's see. Tim Baines.
Puny.
Puny.
Puny?
Over there, little guy.
Next.
Keep walking, Puny. Hey, Beans.
Hey, guys.
Next. Socks Martin.
Wow, Socks. You are definitely basketball material.
Sweet.
Next. Robot Jones.
Uni.
Puny.
Thank you for the classification. I am Puny. I am Puny.
No duh.
Okay, you little boys are coming outside with me to play crab soccer. Any questions? Move it! I said get down!
What you looking at, robot?
Hidden socks.
Oh, yeah. He's doing basketball warm-ups with Coach.
Better.
Boy, I wish we could do warm-ups.
Get down on all fours, robot! And let's see some crab hustle.
Hey,
Socks.
what happened to you? We were outside playing crab soccer. Oh, rough. In this weather? But hey, guess what? I made the basketball team.
Yay!
I made the crab soccer team.
Oh, yeah, it must be real easy playing with all the small kids. Hey, Socks, I heard you made the team. Totally
Yeah, Socks.
That rocks.
I made the crab soccer team.
Yeah, awesome.
See you at the rally.
Later, man. Hey, Shannon.
Hello, Shannon.
So, Socks, I heard you made the basketball team.
Yeah, I did. I'm psyched.
Well, I made the cheerleading squad. I get to shout through the megaphone.
I made the crab soccer team.
Did you hear something?
No? Anyway, Coach said I was really tall for my age, so I guess that's why he picked me.
That's cool. You are pretty tall.
You're pretty tall, too.
At backup forward, Richie Purcell.
Yay!
And finally, at third alternate center, Timothy Socks Martin.
Hey, I can't see.
Error. Obstructed visuals.
Is that Socks?
Not determined.
And now, let's meet the winter cheerleader.
Being short is a dud.
Tim. Excuse me.
Hey, robot, check it out.
Error. Your body type is too large for Tim unit.
It is me, robot. I had an overnight growth spurt. Now I can play basketball with the big guys.
Baines, get over here.
Coming, Coach. See you after gym, robot.
Growth spurt. Yesterday Tim was puny. Today, Tim is much larger. Analysis.
Junior high school age children often experience growth spurts, sudden increases in physical size. This is a normal part of their development into adult humans.
Input. Will I experience growth spurt?
Negative. You are a robot. Robots are designed to be optimal at their original size.
I want all you punies outside right now!
I do not want to be puny. I want to have growth spurts too.
Well, maybe you'll make the team next year.
Yeah.
Still coming to the game tonight?
Oh, I'll be there.
Me too.
Whoa, robot! Check you out!
I had a growth spurt.
I'll say. You okay, man? We gotta go. Later.
Later. Oops. Hello, Shannon. Look how I am tall, too. And now I will be on a basketball team too. Oh, time for class. See you later, Shannon.
Dork. So, what's up with your robot friend?
I don't know.
Well, he's freaking me out.
He's having robot puberty.
Robots don't have puberty.
Sure they do.
No way.
Hey!
Hey!
Robot Jones!
Now you keep your crazy robotic growth spurt under control!
Yes, Principal.
Zeppelins! Now I'm late for the big game!
It's a slaughter.
Affirmative.
Go Sox!
Go, sucks. Oops.
Come out! Hey you, Robot Jones!
Uh-oh. Am I in trouble?
Heck no! Robot with your legs so tall, help us win at basketball.
I will do it.
Substitution!
Here, robot.
And Robot Jones gets the ball! Go Robot! He hits the deuce! Whoa, look at him dribble! Is it the shoe? Where's the ball? Is that legal? It's a tie game! Go Robot!
Time! Time out!
Go Rainbows! Go Rainbows! Go Rainbows!
Pass it to Robot. Get that robot.
Go Rainbows! With a hand in his face!
You can do it, robot.
He's high above the rim! Wow! Way to go, Robot! My hero!
Shannon. Hello, anybody? Data log entry. I have experimented with growth spurts, resulting in taller, less uniform. However, this state was unstable. Final analysis, my original body size is best.